Alright guys, we're heading out to Lake Las Vegas to get a little training on some super drones. Can't wait till you see these. Alright, down here at the wash now. Okay, you can see Las Vegas in the backdrop there. We're heading down here to the wetlands, which is right next to Lake Las Vegas. You got Lake Las Vegas in the background there. Got my friend's RV here. Take a look at that, guys. Got 4 cameras on that drone. What's the wing spread on that?
About, I don't know, diagonal probably 3.5 feet.
3.5 feet? Wow. Alright guys, just want to give a little perspective here in these drones. This is the DJI Mini 2 right here. This will be like an infant on its mother's belly right here. 2 cameras in there. Large camera down there. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video so far. Out here having a good time with some friends. Doing some training. Got to fly my drone. They allowed me to fly up against their drone for a while to get some perspective. That thing is massive. Anyways, thinking about walking down here to the wash. Take a look at that. Alright, down here at the wash now. This is the Las Vegas wash. Believe it or not, our water treatment plants are that way. We've got probably 7 or 8 of them here in town between Las Vegas and Henderson. We take our water and clean it and recycle it, send it down here, plus a lot of water, flood water from the mountains all come into here, and this washes out into Lake Mead. Goes down here, goes underneath of Lake Las Vegas. Drops down, there's a nice box culvert, and then you have Lake Las Vegas. Hopefully I can put a little bit of video of that in here. Anyways, it's really neat down here. They call this the wetlands now. They've preserved it, and you can take a lot of hikes back through there. A lot of people I see were riding their bikes earlier. I think I'm gonna bring Debbie out here on our e-bikes to do a little hike ourselves. Hope you're enjoying the video. Let's do a little drone action here. I'm gonna fly down this Las Vegas wash here. I think I told you already, but up here by this bridge where the car's driving over right now, the wash goes down underground. I'll show you that whenever we get to it. But anyways, gotta watch out for these power lines right here. It's kind of hard to tell whenever you're flying where the power lines are, so I just raised it up to about 150 feet. And got over it. So anyways, that's Lake Las Vegas right there, man-made lake. This resort here was built by a friend of mine's dad. Okay, right there you can see the water going down right here on your right side where it looks like the water's getting into a little rough water there. It goes down underneath the lake and then shoots out into Lake Mead. I remember working on this. See that little bridge area right there going over the lake? I remember working on that. I did all the concrete out here on this casino and everything. I did concrete on 2 casinos out here for them. Lake Las Vegas is an amazing place. If you're ever in the valley, come check it out. I live right down the street from here. A real neat place to come out to. Alright, I'm going to throw a little bit of music in here for about 1 minute until we get back with the drone. Then I got some more live action down there. I got a little interview with my friend that is doing the training. He's going to explain this humongous drone to us, okay? Alright, check it out. All right. Love it out here. It's a little smelly, but oh welly.
I think it's facing to the facing that way.
We're here with Brent, the instructor, and Richard, the trainee.
Right, and now I can see it's coming straight at us.
All right, anytime you're ready.
Hey, I'm Brent Hannig. I work for Still City Drones out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We're out here near Las Vegas, Nevada, doing some basic drone instruction. I have Richard and Rick as boy are my students today, and this was the first time they had ever flown this M300 drone. This is an Enterprise series by DJI, used a lot with public safety for search and rescue, or police for surveillance, or industry for inspecting silos, cranes, towers. So we're doing a 2-day class with Richard and Rick, and by the end of tomorrow they will be very comfortable with the gimbal operation, the zoom screen, the thermal infrared screen, and how to set up pre-planned mission flights. So that's about the basic summary of it. It's a beautiful day out in Henderson, and loving life.
It's a beautiful day. I've noticed earlier whenever you was instructing them, they were in flight. They were doing an excellent job already. So I can only imagine after another day or so with you.
Yeah, they were very timid when we first started flying, but just like anybody, repetition is going to be the key to comfort and to be able to have some confidence. So that's what we've been working on, is we have flight exercises that start with very, very basic takeoff, land, fly out, teach them how to refly in reverse orientation, so that when you move the joystick to the right, the aircraft actually goes to the left, just to get people muscle memory built up with actually watching the aircraft and putting the input on the remote instead of watching the screen and focusing on that.
All right. Well, this definitely isn't a hobby craft right here.
That's the Enterprise series. That's the best drone that DJI makes. Like I say, mainly for police and fire. The gimbal we have on there now gives you a wide view. It'll give you a zoom screen. It'll give you a thermal or IR screen. And it also has an FPV, or first-person view camera, mounted to the drone, so the pilot can actually see what's in front of him if he's moving forward.
Excellent.
It's an awesome machine. I love teaching on it, and I love flying it.
Well, I appreciate you guys taking time to allow me to come over here and get a few shots and videos, and I know this is taking time out of your guys' day, so I'm going to go ahead and let you get back to your job. Thanks a lot, guys.